Here's how to make sure that messages you send via text message on your iPhone are encrypted. The easiest way to tell is if these bubbles are blue, you're messaging another iPhone user, which means you're using iMessage, which means the messages are encrypted. If you have a specific setting turned on, that I'm going to show you in a minute. If these message bubbles are green, that means you're not texting an iPhone user, you're using the regular cellular text service. Those messages are not encrypted. And there's no way to encrypt them, as far as I know, without some fancy tech. So to encrypt messages on your iPhone, the blue bubbles that encrypts messages between iPhone users, you go to Settings. On the Settings page, scroll down at the very bottom. This is the main Settings page. Tap on Apps, then tap on M on the side, or scroll down to the M section to find Messages. If we scroll down a little bit, we see right here, iMessage is turned on. That's what you want turned on to enable encryption. If we want to learn more about it, we can tap on this link right here and tap on Messages. And it says here, iMessage is end-to-end encrypted. It says also, Messages is an app that allows communication via these services. We designed iMessage to use end-to-end encryption, so there's no way for Apple to decrypt the content of your conversations when they're in transit between devices. Attachments you send over iMessage, such as photos or videos, are encrypted so that no one but the sender and receiver can access them. And so, to make sure encryption is turned on, make sure this is turned on right here. Otherwise, you won't be using iMessage and it won't be encrypted communications. And while we're setting up this encryption, it might also be smart to turn off all the various ways that Apple iPhones track you. There's at least 7 of them, and I go through each one in this video right here so you can stop your phone from tracking you. Super important that you watch this if you're into privacy. I'll see you there. And if you like this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you in this next one.